Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. In this video, I will show you how to install tempered glass on Asus ROG LA. So I have purchased a spigen tempered glass. So the most important thing in spigen tempered glass, they will provide a tool to install the tempered glass. So it is easy fit. There will be no issue in installing, hopefully. Let's see what they have provided. However, they have provided two tempered glass and it will cost you around 1700 rupees approx. So they have provided some kit to install the tempered glass. So first of all, you have to place the unit on the top of the gaming station, but first of all you have to remove the cover. So after removing the cover, place the kit on the top of the screen, pointing the top at the top side like this way. After that, you have to press the center part, and after pressing and keeping it for 30 seconds, you have to remove the sticker from the top part as shown in the video. So please note, before installing you have to remove the back sticker provided at the bottom part of the tempered glass. So like this way you can install it. After installing, remove the easy fit tool and remove the top layer of the plastic. So you have to remove the top layer of the plastic. So it is very easy to install a tempered glass of spigen on your Asus LA. There is no bubble, and I think all of you have liked this video. Thank you.